Hey guys, here I am in an art studio with Wayan.
Hi.
He was just telling me that he has a lot of space for art, but little space for sleeping, which is basically how my apartment is set up.
For studio for the painting. Maybe
So this is for
you can
painting.
check out first for the painting.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Beautiful.
Have you done all of them?
No, some is mine and some of the other friend also. After the pencil, we do the line. We use a Chinese ink for the line, and also do the shading using a Chinese ink. You can finish until this process, like a monochrome color or coloring using acrylic, a very transparent acrylic.
Pretty.
This will be the studio for the remaining of the class. You might be wondering, what is batik? Batik is a method that they use to dye their fabric. It is originated in Java, and now I'm going to show you step by step how did we created this beautiful sarong.
So today guys, I'm taking a Batik class and they already have the template, so you just have to pick, unless you want to do your own design.
They had over 30 designs. I ended up going with the lotus flower. We're now going to prepare the wax.
So you wait until it fully melts, and then you use that for pencil to draw in the cloth.
Use that one.
So this is my first attempt at drawing with wax. You can see that I'm nervous. It did work, but you must clean your pencil, otherwise you're going to make a mess in your fabric.
Oh, I see. Now it's working. So just doing it from the back, right?
For the batik to be a success, you must ensure every single line is being drawn with wax. You also need to connect all of the dots. Otherwise, when you dye your fabric, all of the colors are going to get mixed together. The one important trick is to do it from the back, because that way you'll be able to see which spots you missed.
Is that good?
Haha, you can see that was not good. Thank goodness you have instructors there that help you throughout the process. Once you are done drawing all of the lines with the wax, we are going to proceed into dyeing the fabric. He's going to help me get the color that I want for the background. I'm actually gonna go for an aqua one because I think it's gonna help the flowers stand out. He's mixing different colors, and if you don't like the color, you can still add water until you get the right shade for you.
Just like this?
There are two tricks for painting the fabric. If you are in the outskirts, you're gonna wanna use a paintbrush. But if you're getting a little closer to the wax lines, then you're gonna wanna use a cotton swab. To dye the flowers, you are going to use a cotton swab because the space is reduced. However, we are about to learn from my mistake.
It didn't have enough water.
Yes, you must wet first.
I must wet it first.
So here's how you properly do it. You're first gonna grab a clear cotton swab and you're gonna add water into each petal that you will dye. I made the mistake of adding water in all of the flower, and since the weather is really hot, it dries so fast. If you add water first and then you add your color, it's going to allow you to create an ombre shade. Let me show you a close-up of how it looks when you are dyeing the fabric. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint the middle one yellow, and I'm gonna also add an ombre effect you'll see soon. But first, you must grab your cotton swab with the color that you want. In this case, it's gonna be yellow. You add the color, and can you see how the wax is helping the paint to not go to the other sides?
Thank you.
I did not want to remove the audio of this video because you can see someone using a hammer. Actually, in Wayan's art workshop, you can do so many activities. So you can learn how to draw, you can learn how to paint batik, you can learn how to carve in wood. So there are so many options. I'm actually going to leave all of his contact information in the description box below. I got to book the class through Airbnb, so I'm gonna leave you that link too in case you wanna look it up. But I'm also gonna leave you his WhatsApp number in case you just wanna contact him directly. He was really nice. He picked me up in my place in Ubud, and then he took me to Tegalalang, which is where his art studio is located. Once your sarong dries for 10 minutes, you are going to let your instructor help you for the following steps. First, he's going to apply a sealer, and this is going to be a clear coat of paint. He's going to cover all of the surface of your sarong. And once this is done, you are going to remove it and submerge the sarong into boiling water for 40 seconds.
Boiling water.
Then you're gonna transfer your sarong into a container with cold water. This is going to help you to wash off the paint and get rid of the wax.
Vô này hả? Vô dân bút à? Vô nắp một việc. Một lần.
Next, we're going to go ahead and dry our sarong. They actually use newspapers to help you get rid of the extra excess of water.
Up.
And once you've done this, we're gonna go ahead and just iron the sarong.
guys, look, we just learned how to make batik, so this is the final product. It's so pretty.
I didn't know we knew where it was.
Oh, beautiful.
Right? It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
Thank you.
I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you click the red button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. Make sure to click that bell twice and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this project. Also, let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part, and if you're not following me in my other social media accounts, I'm gonna leave them below. In addition, I'm going to leave all of Wayan's information in the description box below in case you're interested in taking Wayan's art class once you visit Bali. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I hope to see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!